Hey everyone! Look at this dewy glow. I didn't just roll out of bed like this, it took a little TLC and some fab skincare tricks. Today, I'm spilling the beans on my go-to skincare drinks that'll kick dullness to the curb and give you that radiant shine. Plus, I've got some must-have products and super easy tips to keep you glowing from morning till night. Okay, let me introduce you to my go-to morning glow booster, the Ginger Turmeric Sunrise Shot. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, which is fantastic for reducing redness and puffiness thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This golden spice is packed with antioxidants that help brighten and even out your skin tone. If you've got a sweet tooth, stir in a tablespoon of honey. Strain the mixture to make a smooth shot. Next up is my all-day refreshment, a citrus mint splash. Trust me, it's a total game changer for keeping your skin happy and glowing. Here's how I make it. Grab a big bottle, then slice up half an orange and half a lime. These citrus slices are loaded with vitamin C, which is a must for keeping your skin firm and radiant. Next, add some handful of fresh mint leaves because who doesn't love that minty freshness? Just fill the bottle with cold water. This hydration booster will keep your skin plump and dewy. Next up is a green smoothie. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of fresh spinach. It's packed with vitamins A, C and K which help improve skin tone and texture. 1 banana, full of vitamin B6 and C. It hydrates your skin and adds a radiant glow. Half a cup of water or coconut water. Keeps your skin plump and hydrated, with coconut water giving it an extra nutrient boost. And some ice. Toss everything into a blender. Blend until you've reached the desired consistency. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. This green smoothie packed with skin glowing ingredients that'll kickstart your day and keep your skin glowing from within. Alright. We've got the drinks for that inner glow, but let's see 3 products that you need for a glowing, hydrated skin. First up, post-cleansing, you need a targeted solution. In comes serum. Opt for ceramide-based serums. The one that I'm using is super lightweight and has a fast-absorbing formula. Full of potent ingredients which not only hydrate the skin but also help strengthen the skin barrier for long-term hydration. Next up, to seal in the moisture. For that, you need a good emollient-rich moisturizer. This keeps the moisture intact yet feels lightweight. Lastly, you need to apply SPF on a daily basis because UV damage is one of the biggest reasons for lack of glow. So, find the one that suits your skin type. As a tip, look for SPF that has added active ingredients in it like niacinamide. Lastly, 3 tips for maintaining glowing, hydrated skin. Tip 1. Follow a consistent skincare routine. It doesn't have to be complicated, just be consistent with it. Tip number 2. Get adequate sleep. Your skin does most of its repair work while you're sleeping, so make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours a night. Tip 3. Mindful eating. You are what you eat, so be careful with what you put inside your system and be mindful of what you eat on a daily basis. And there you have it. 3 simple skincare drinks, 3 amazing products and 3 tips that will keep your skin glowing and hydrated. Remember, glowing skin is all about balance. What you put in your body is just as important as what you put on it. So, drink up, glow up and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.